Hey, what's up, guys? It's Yusef with Speedy House Offers, and I am super excited today because we got started on this 104-year-old duplex. We're working on in High Point. My guy Miguel right here. Yeah, and so the reason I'm so excited is because I have a special affinity for older houses like this. These guys have demoed this whole staircase. It's over there in the dumpster. They're gonna come back, rebuild it, but we don't only buy houses like this that are 104 years old. We buy them from 4 all the way up to 104 years old. So if you have a home that you've inherited, or it's a damaged home, or it's a distressed home, maybe you're going through something like a divorce or a bankruptcy, give us a call. 9 times out of 10, if you've got a problem that needs to be solved, we have a solution. So yeah, this is Yusef signing off with Speedy House Offers, and we'll talk to you a little later.